All right, paddle back. Take a break. Right side forward. Take a break. Paddle forward.
Back it up.
Take a break. We're gonna paddle, gaining momentum, and then we go for a deep lean in. Paddle forward. Lean in. All right, back to your seats. Paddle forward. Take a break. Forward 2. Forward 2. Forward 2. Paddle back. We won't gap. That's why we want to paddle back. Paddle back. Take a break.
How many times today did you go down the river?
2.
2 or 3 times?
1, 2. Today I have 3. 1 more. It is a week. Last week of June, first week of July, we go up to 4.
All right.
Forward 2. So if you guys look on the tunnel, right on the left, we're gonna go all the way around this ridge and show up on the other side of the tunnel. Middle way on this turn is where we're gonna find the last hard one, the one we call Horrendous left turn. There's plenty of boulders. It's horrible. A lot of paddling. You gotta hold your balance as well on this one. Unless you don't wanna go for another swim. No, don't do that again. Forward 2. Jeff, it's on?
Yes.
Paddle forward. Take a break. Here, we want to be fast with those strokes, all right? There's very little room to maneuver. Forward 2. Right side forward. Forward 2. Tio, are you in another boat or what? Why don't you paddle? Forward 2. Lean in. Paddle forward. Stop. Paddle forward hard. Paddle forward. Take a break. Forward 1. Take a break. Paddle forward. Stop. Paddle forward. Stop. Left side forward. Stop. Paddle forward. Stop. Paddle forward. Right side forward. Stop. Left side forward. Stop. Paddle forward. Stop. Right side forward. Stop. Paddle high five, everybody. Paddle high five. That was a wonderful strokes. Very well done. Beautiful. Well done, Gary. You was a good employee. Paddle forward. Sorry. Sorry. Take a break. halfway of the canyon. We have like 2.5 miles ahead. Paddle forward. Stop. Left side forward. Right side forward. Keep going, right side, keep going, keep going. All paddle forward. Come on, Tio, come on, come on, come on, come on. Stop. You're part of the same company. Paddle forward. Take a break. Paddle back. Take a break. You guys want to see something cool? I think it's cool. Paddle back one. Look up high back there on the trees. Probably you're gonna find a rock bricks. Those are part of the original Miners Trail. You see it? In those days, late 1800s, when everything began, this was the only way up to the mountains. You can stretch out your legs now.